Smart manufacturing provides practical solutions for applying the latest advanced manufacturing technologies that drive results. At LMI Technologies, we are creating factory-smart solutions designed to improve quality inspection, automate processes, and enhance material optimization. Smart manufacturing, industrial Internet of Things, and Industry 4.0 aren't just buzzwords. They're ingrained into our way of thinking and the products we produce. To help place the smart factories of tomorrow in reach today, we are pleased to showcase Gocator as our answer. Gocator is an easy-to-use, flexible design that delivers high-performance machine vision with seamless data communication so your factory can operate more efficiently and profitably. We have two trusted 3D technologies for your smart factory applications: laser profilers and snapshot sensors. Our 3D smart sensors can also report measurement results, monitor trends, or network with other machinery to exchange or combine data.